Alright, welcome to my channel guys, and today you guys can see this package just arrived from Amazon. As you guys can see right here, it is from Amazon, and what I ordered and the item that I got, I want to show it to you guys, and I want to unbox right in front of you guys. And today I'm about to unbox the Ultra HD 2.7K camera, video camera. So as you guys can see, there's nothing in the box right now, so we're gonna put this on the side and let's do the unboxing. And as of right now, this is really nice camera, and I did a lot of search for this, and I chose this one. So please let me know in the comment below what do you guys think, and what if anybody they're using this camera, let me know, and you know, how's your experience and everything. And let's get this unboxing started, and let's see what this all come with it. So all right, so open the box. So it's a normal, when you open any box, you get like a manual, how to use the user manual. This is for the camera, blah blah, how to set it up. So we're gonna put this on the side. And the next one, so this is, I believe, the camera stand, like, you know, when you're holding it in your hand. This is seem like really nice, you know, stand. So there's that. And then we got a remote with it. This is a nice option they added. It's nice. And we're gonna put this on the side, and then we got this is the HDMI cable to your laptop or TV, or you know, whatever you're connecting to, and it's I believe it's Type C and then HDMI. So this is really nice. And the next one we're gonna do, let's see what's next. All right, so they include the microphone. Wow, this is nice. So this is the microphone. There's a few options on the top to configure how your voice, and like, you know, change your voice, or like, you know, this is seem like really nice, high quality mic. So we'll see when I record the next video, and I'm gonna try to record on this so you guys can, like, you know. Okay, we're gonna put this on the side, and then we got a battery. So battery number 1, and then we got a charging cable. It's just a regular Android charging cable. Okay, and then we got battery number 2. This is nice, I like it. 2 batteries, one for backup, one while you're using one. So this is basically the jack to connect your I believe your mic to your camera. So you guys can see it's gonna go right here, and then at this end, gonna go into your camera, and then you have the mic connected. And the next option, like the next item we're gonna see is we got a charging brick. That's basically like, you know, a wall charger. It's just a standard wall charger. Okay, and then next item we're gonna look at is we got lenses. So we got, there's one right there. There's a wide angle. I'm gonna put this on the side. And then the next one, this is just to put the lens on the camera. And now we're gonna get to the main item. As you guys can see, there's nothing in the box. Box is empty. So we're gonna put this on the side, and this is the main item that we are waiting for. Wow. So it already come in case. So this is nice. It's not a separate pack. So this is the case as a normal. It's a nice case to hold your camera in, and you know, nice looking leather case. So we're gonna put this on the side. All right, so this is the camera that we are waiting on. This is nice camera. We're gonna take off the cover, as you guys can see. So this camera is basically, it have the night vision built in it, and it's really nice. So let's turn this on. This is my first time, guys, so if I mess up, so I'm sorry. So we're gonna, I think we have to open right there. Okay, and then we're gonna put the battery in. Hopefully battery got a juice in it. So, all right, so we're gonna do, I believe it goes like this. Okay. All right, so this is, I think this goes like this. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm having a hard time putting the battery in, so let me see. There's a knob right there. I think you have to hold it back and able to put the battery in, so let's try that. Like this. Oh, there you go. So you gotta push that knob, and once the battery is in, this knob will hold the battery and won't fall. And there's the SD card, and oh yeah, I have to, it don't come with the SD cards. I have to buy a separate. Let me open this, guys. As you guys see, I got the 128 gig memory card for this. And I'm gonna open this really fast, and then I'm gonna put this in the camera, and we're gonna get this started. All right, so as you guys can see, there it is. Like, I don't know why they pack like this, that where you have hard time opening this. So there you go. Oops, sorry, I dropped it. All right, so this is the SD card slot. So I think it's gonna go in like this. There you go, it's in. So we're gonna close this. All right, it's closed. And now we're gonna turn this on. So it's got a nice, there you go, welcome screen. And as you guys can see, and it is a touch screen, as you guys can see. There you go. So this is my iPad. And also you can rotate 360 degree, this screen thing. And there's a few options. There's a power, there's OK mode, modes, menu, down, up. And also the good thing is, if you're recording a video and then you press this button right there, and you can pause it and then you restart the video. So we're gonna do this. Memory card is full, so I think I put the memory card wrong. So I'm gonna change this later on, so as you guys can see right there. I mean, it's nice. On the back, you guys can see it's IR 2.7K, and it's nice, high quality definition, and megapixel is 36x0. That's nice. Still image, video, and there's a few options right there. You know, that's nice looking. What do you guys think? It's nice looking camera, right? I mean, I like it. What do you guys think? Just let me know in the comment below. And also, I'm gonna shoot a next video on this, and I'm gonna post on the YouTube, and just let me know what do you guys think, and how it looks. So I appreciate it for watching my videos, and as you guys know, I'm new to YouTube, and I'm trying my best to bring you guys the best videos I can. So just bear with me, and hopefully one day I will get better. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in next video.